Hi, I'm Mayor Marty Walsh. On behalf of the City of Boston, I want to congratulate Arthur Nguyen on receiving the HAC Boston 2015 Community Leadership Award. Arthur has been a terrific friend and partner for our city. Through his commitment to affordable housing, he has helped countless families find the safe, quality homes they need. Arthur also stands out for his generosity. One of the organizations closest to his heart is the Boston chapter of the American Jewish Committee, a strong leader in promoting human rights and democratic values all around the world. I was proud to be one of the first mayors to sign on to the AJC's Mayors United Against Anti-Semitism campaign. This campaign is a nationwide and now internationally successful, uniting us all in the fight against anti-Semitism. Again, I want to thank Arthur and the American Jewish Committee for your leadership. You're a shining example of how, together, we can transform our city and make a lasting impact on the entire world.